In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Wayfair affiliate to your site using CJ, which includes setting up and managing links. If you're ready to start earning affiliate commissions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll need to join Wayfair's affiliate program. This is a crucial step as it will allow you to partner with Wayfair and earn commissions on the sales of their products through the links on your site. To begin, navigate to the CJ affiliate website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Follow the prompts to enter your information and complete the registration process. It's important to carefully read through the terms and conditions before accepting them to ensure you fully understand the partnership. Next, apply to the Wayfair affiliate program specifically. Once your CJ account is set up, you can easily locate Wayfair in the advertiser list. Use the search function, type in Wayfair, and once you find their program, click to apply. They may want to know about your website, including the type of content you provide and your target audience, so be prepared to provide this information. Approval times can vary, so keep an eye out for a confirmation email. Once approved, it's time to get your affiliate links. Head back to the CJ dashboard where you will find options to generate your unique affiliate links. Navigate to the Links tab on the top menu. Here you'll see all the advertisers for which you've been approved, including Wayfair. Select Wayfair, and you'll be able to browse through creative assets like banners and text links. Selecting a link will allow you to customize it with tracking information specific to your site, which ensures you get credit for any sales you drive. Now that you have your affiliate links, it's time to add them to your website. Think strategically about where these links will be most effective. Popular options include placing text links within related blog posts, product reviews, or a resources page. If you have a blog post about interior design or home furnishing, for instance, embedding a Wayfair link there makes sense. Additionally, you can use banner ads in your site's sidebar or header for visual appeal. Finally, to maximize your potential earnings, promote those links and get ready to start earning. Utilize social media platforms to share content that features your affiliate links, such as curated product lists or design ideas. Email newsletters can also be a great way to highlight products and drive traffic to your site. Remember, the key to success is providing value to your audience and authentic recommendations, which in turn can lead to higher conversion rates. And that's it. You're now set up with the Wayfair affiliate program through CJ and ready to start earning. Thanks for watching and happy affiliating.